So today we're here with Matt, one of our subscribers who's from North Carolina, and he has a 500 SEC.
Yes, sir.
That's being serviced for Pierre today. Matt is also a filmmaker and videographer, and he is here to help out with my audio issues that many of you have noticed we're having. More recently on the Obies, who was also a subscriber that was here recently, and we had some issues with his audio with too much background music, so we're going to get those all fixed.
Yeah.
So anyway,
I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too. So anyway, Matt, give me some pointers on how to better do audio.
Number one, we went through use manual settings, not auto.
Okay.
Anytime you use the auto settings, you're going to run into trouble. So anybody that is out there, just try to get used to manual. Mm-hmm. Get your metering level where it's comfortable. You may have to experiment, like we'll listen back on the playback on this and see how does it sound.
Okay.
And if it's too low, we can bring it up a bit. If it's too hot, where you hear a bit of clipping and it's a little bit too raw, you need to bring it down.
Okay, well, fair enough.
Yeah.
So this is our test to see how the audio works with two. So I'm going to get off right now, and then we're going to talk to Matt. He's going to talk to you about his car and why he's here and his impressions so far of what's going on.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.